Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add soft camera shake effects in Capcut to give your video a subtle dynamic touch. Let's get started. The first step is to open your Capcut and create a new project or continue with an existing one. Ensure you add the video clip you want to enhance with the camera shake effect. Next, scroll to the bottom menu and tap Effect, then choose Video Effect. Now, you can go to the list of options and select Shake. The Shake category is always there to find the different shake option you want. You can look for a gentle shake effect like camera shake or vibration for a soft, natural look. Tap on it to apply and adjust the intensity using the slider to control how strong or subtle the shake appears. The next step is to adjust the duration of the effect. Drag the edge of the effect in the timeline to control when the shake starts and ends. This lets you target specific part of the video or apply it throughout. And there you have it, guys. With just a few steps, you've added a soft camera shake to your video to make it feel more dynamic. Thank you so much for watching this video and happy editing. Bye bye.